All right, well, hello everybody. This is your teacher, Mr. Santillana, and these are your notes for section 3.5. Don't forget to update your table of contents. Your title is Parallel Lines and Triangles. Just a couple of facts here. First one, we have postulate 3.2, otherwise known as the parallel postulate. So what it is imagine you have a line, okay, and imagine you have a point not on the line. What can you do about that? Well, there exists a line that you can draw through that point that's not on the line, just like that, in such a way that both lines will be parallel. All right, so once again, if you have a line, there exists a point outside of the line such that there exists a line through that point that is parallel to that line. By the way, that has a name. That little line is also known as an auxiliary line. A-U-X-I-L-I-A-R-Y. I know I'm terrible at pronouncing this. Auxiliary line. All right, next fact is, that was postulate 3.2, is theorem 3.11. It's called the triangle angle sum theorem. Very simple. Everybody pretty much knows this. The sum of all interior angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. All right, the sum. Okay, next fact, theorem 3.12. It's called the exterior angles theorem. I drew a little picture for you to try to explain this. So imagine a triangle. All right, now imagine the base of that triangle extended. All right, here's what you need to know. Any angle on the outside is known as an exterior angle. So I'm going to go ahead and label that. That's an exterior angle. Now, on the inside of the triangle, there's an angle that's right next to it, right? Or adjacent. There's that one. But then there's these other ones. There's this one up here and that one down there. Okay, well, the one that's adjacent to it, that one we're not going to talk about. So I'm going to erase that. I want to talk about those further ones. Why? Because this angle here, I'm going to put 2 arcs here. And this angle down here, I'm going to put 3 arcs. 1, 2, 3. These are what you would call remote interior angles. So for every exterior angle, remote interior angles, for every exterior angle outside of a triangle, there exist 2 remote interior angles. Now, what's the relationship between these angles? Well, it's right down here. Here it is. Every exterior angle is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. That's the relationship.